This is Little Girl 901 and I'm making today a slime with Filipino ingredients. All we need here is some Elmer's glue. It is optional because I just want Elmer's glue because this is the perfect glue for making slime. And some Ariel Power Gel. But if you're not here in the Philippines, but you have the Ariel Power Gel in your country, you can use it. But if you don't have, you can use borax or Tide gel and some lotion. This is optional because this is the only lotion I have because I have a skin asthma, but it's not that bad. And there's only lotion that I have and some powder. But if you're gonna use borax, your decision is your decision. If you don't wanna have some powder in it, don't put some. But I will have this powder and this optional again because when I'm making slime it always 24 hours mixing. So I have some powder. So today, oh yeah, I forgot. That because my glue is not full. It's because I made this time and I put and I put more and more Ariel Power Gel to it, so it becomes this. It is easy to break now than yesterday because yesterday is like that. It's like a clay. Because it's like this is I put some marker on it. When I put first I put the marker when this is done mixing, and then when I stretch it, it's like this. Oh my god. That almost fell off. So let's do this. And I forgot, we need a container and something to mix with. You can use some toothpicks, some spoon, fork, anything to mix with. Let's just put it in here first. And maybe this will have maybe a part 5 because my my cell phone is about to be low bat. I don't want to use a camera because I don't want to use it. So first we need to add the glue. Let's put it on. My idea is because we're going in October 30, I guess, in our province, Pangasinan, here in Philippines. My idea is I will make another video there. I have a video of making this, but I didn't upload it because my device yesterday is so full, so I didn't download it. Plus, I am weak that time. Today is morning. I don't know the time check of this. It's 9:53 a.m. here in Philippines, and let's put the I'm sorry guys of my voice because my voice is like this and it's early time, so I'm sorry. And plus, I just wake up and I'm downstairs because my mom and dad are sleeping. I don't want to wake them up because of this video. Let's just wait for 1 hour. Just joking. Okay, this school is hard. Let's get this video to 5 likes, guys, and subscribe. But if you don't want to subscribe, then don't subscribe. It's not a problem. I just want to be like the other. Guava juice. Guava juice is a Filipino too, but he go up in his country now. If he is now, that is the country he lived, and that is the country he grew old. Ah! That's my dog, by the way. I cannot move the camera because if only I can cut this. That's enough, I guess. So let's just and we're just gonna mix it just a little bit mix. And we're gonna put now the lotion, just a little lotion of this, guys. Maybe just half a spoon. This plastic. Maybe that's enough. Stick with the glue, man. Okay, let's add the power gel now. And guys, let me remind you, power gel, not powder. Power, no D, just power. Okay. Let's just add some 3 drops in it because it may look the slime like this when we add so many. Just 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Ah. But when you are doing this with borax, you can add more borax because you want it jiggly. But here, we're just gonna add the right. Let's add more. The right. That's enough now. Oh my god. It's becoming slime now, but the others not because this is a big slime, man. This big slime. Just kidding.